Okay, let's unpack this. Our deep dive today is all about centralized audio control, especially for you if you're managing, a big multi-zone environment.
Exactly.
We are getting into the heart of professional audio distribution. The Blustream DMP168. It's a 16 by 8 digital matrix processor.
And what's really fascinating here for anyone looking to get up to speed fast
Yeah.
is the density of this thing. It's a single 1U box,
Just one U.
but it's not just a switch. It's more like a central nervous system.
Yeah.
It's built to digitally process every single audio stream that goes through it.
And that processing power is key.
It is. That combination of size and power is really the critical insight here.
And the connectivity alone tells you it's designed to handle pretty much anything. It takes 16 total inputs.
Yeah, a real mix.
You've got 8 analog LR inputs and then a whole stack of digital sources, 4 coaxial and 4 optical.
Right. And all of that gets routed out to 8 analog LR outputs for all your different zones. It just handles any source you'd realistically run into.
But the real power, like you said, is in the processing.
The depth, yeah.
Yeah.
Every single input and every single output gives you this fine-tuning control. Volume, balance, different filters.
And a big one.
And the big one. A 4-band parametric equalizer per channel. This isn't just an audiophile toy. It means you can actively fix bad room acoustics or, a poor source mix right there at the matrix.
Okay, hold on. If you're customizing every stream like that, why do you need the flexibility to separate all audio channels into mono? That gives you, 32 by 16 audio feeds? Is that really necessary, or is that just spec padding?
No, it's absolutely necessary if you want true independence. That separation gives you genuinely discrete control.
Okay, like what's a use case?
Well, imagine needing a unique DSP profile for 2 different speakers in the same room. Or maybe running separate language feeds in a hotel or a museum. It just dramatically scales up what the system can do.
Got it. So you have independent control over every single speaker channel.
Literally every single one.
Okay, so let's shift from that granular control to some real-world headaches. We've all been in that sports bar where the commentary is just a bit behind the action on the screen.
Oh, it's infuriating.
So how does this box solve that video sync issue?
It tackles that specific problem head on. You get independent lip sync delay for every single output.
And you can just dial it in.
Instantly.
Yeah.
Anywhere from 0 to 500 milliseconds. So every video zone is perfectly synced up, no matter the display lag or cable run.
And the second headache, content automation. That has to save integrators a ton of time. You mentioned audio ducking.
Yeah, Audio Deck is a perfect example. It lets you automatically drop the background music to a set level the second a paging announcement comes on.
So it handles the voiceover for you.
Instantly. Complete with adjustable levels and even the ramp up and down speed. Plus, you've got 8 assignable bus inputs, which is like having a little mixing console inside so you can blend sources together before you even route them.
So the audio is fully processed and mixed. How does the system handle, let's say, structural management? Let's talk about output grouping.
Output grouping just makes it easier to manage zones that are physically next to each other. But if you combine that feature with the high and low pass filters,
You can do something interesting.
exactly, you can effectively create up to 4 2.1 channel audio outputs. The DMP168 is actually managing the crossover for your subwoofers.
That kind of structural thinking brings us to system automation. How does this brain know when to act on its own?
It uses input audio sensing, so it can trigger events just based on sound being present. But beyond that, it has 4 dedicated trigger inputs.
2 contact closures and 2 voltage inputs.
Right, and those are for interacting with the room itself.
So you could have it react to a door opening with a contact closure, or maybe sense when a projector powers up from a voltage trigger.
Precisely. It lets the matrix respond dynamically. Mute a zone, change a source, whatever you program it to do when that trigger is hit.
And controlling all this is, I assume, straightforward.
Yeah, it supports all the pro control methods you'd expect. WebGY, RS-232, TCP/IP, and IR.
So wrapping this up, what does this all mean for you? The Blustream DMP168 really is the ultimate central command unit for professional audio. It's merging that source diversity, the super deep processing with that 4-band EQ and built-in automation.
And if we connect this to the bigger picture, I think the real takeaway is this. The ability to control a 4-band parametric EQ per input and output, plus independent lip sync, it completely shifts the control.
Away from the source material.
Exactly. It puts deep, precise customization right at the distribution point. This level of audio shaping means you can guarantee perfect audio quality no matter how good or, frankly, how bad the content is that you're feeding into the system.